If my drawing, now we are proceeding, eh? As I said, you start from 0 here, not here, because these numbers below here are used to represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 9. Your tens is this one, so that's why our 0 is here to give us the tens. And these are extra numbers, like if you want a number like 13, I'll say 10 plus 3. If I want 20, I will just go from there to there. I'll measure from here to here. It's 20. Okay. Now to modify this drawing, because we said everything is in the box. Okay. Let me just remove this. If my drawing has got this portion here, did I erase the whole box? I'm just modifying the box. If this is exactly what you do with your drawing. You draw the box and you start cutting in the box to get what you want. So, I want this. Okay, so I have this drawing. I've modified this drawing. Say this was 80. I've modified it. So I'll go to my box here. I'll follow the rules exactly. Okay, so this is 60, it means this is 20. 20. I'll come to my scale. I want to cut 20, 20. I leave 60, then height 40. Is the height going to be on the scale? No. No. Height is true. So I'll measure my 40. Then I'll draw 30 degrees line in that direction. I've measured my 40. I need to measure my 20. 40 is true. I will not use scale. But my 20, I'll come here. This is the 20. From scale. I'll come here. I'll mark 20 from scale. 20 from scale. Then I'll draw 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Then after that, I'll draw a line 30 degrees. It means that portion I have there is done. Within what? The box. Then I can outline, because that's what I want it to be. Did I draw the outline line? Drawing? At first, was my drawing outlined? Was it dark? I started with very faint lines. Now I know my answers, my lines are correct. Now I can make them dark. Is that clear? Now because you are so good, you want to make dark lines. I know you. Okay? Then I need to measure 36. 36 here and 36 there, so that I can remain with 80 in between. Okay? I'll come to my scale. This from there to there is my 30. So my 30 is from there to there. This is my 30. Then I need to count these small spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what? 6. So from there to there, it gives us what? 36 from scale. Is that clear? Are we together? Okay? So I'll come here, I'll mark 36, 36. Then draw vertical line, draw vertical line. Then the 50 is straight. You don't need to scale for 50. You measure 50 and draw. Then 30 degrees line, 30 degrees line, 30 degrees line, 90 degrees, then 30 degrees. Now I can outline what I know is true. I'm done. Did I erase the red lines? Have I removed them? So on your drawing, I want to see those faint lines. If you take them out, you are taking out your marks. That is the rule. Remember what I'm explaining. You are going to draw, you are going to do your MTDOP, you are writing exams, those who haven't written yet. And on the piping, you are going to follow the drawings. Are we together? So if you remove the lines, the red lines which are representing construction lines, you remove them. You are removing the marks. You are taking out your marks. And I will enjoy removing them. Because you have already done it. Any question? Any question? Okay. Now we have drawn the isometric. Is there anybody who says, I'm lost, I don't know isometric now? These lines are at what angle? 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Any question?
How do you do spherical objects?
When it comes to circles, we'll come to that. First, we need to practice to understand how to draw isometric in general. Then we come to isometric circles. I don't want to combine it with this. I want just you to understand these two parts. How to draw isometric How to move from isometric to orthographic. And how to bring back the drawing from orthographic to isometric. Do you know the part how to bring it back? Is the part you hate the most. Freehand. Okay. Rafael? Did you?